Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are charging your Oral-B toothbrush and you are not sure whether it is fully charged or still charging, you are not alone because many users get confused by the light indicators. Sometimes the light keeps blinking, sometimes it becomes steady, and it is not always clear what each signal means. Since these toothbrushes use indicator lights instead of a full display, understanding the charging status depends on observing these small changes carefully. You may leave the toothbrush on the charger for hours and still wonder if it is ready to use or not. It is important to know the correct signs so you can avoid overcharging or using it with low battery. In this video, I will show you step by step how to know if your Oral-B toothbrush is fully charging. Try these. 1. Place the Oral-B toothbrush properly on the Oral-B charger. 2. Check if the Oral-B toothbrush shows a blinking light while charging. 3. Leave the Oral-B toothbrush on the Oral-B charger for the recommended time. 4. Observe if the light on the Oral-B toothbrush becomes steady or turns off. 5. Remove the Oral-B toothbrush from the Oral-B charger and turn it on to check battery strength. 6. Confirm the Oral-B toothbrush runs smoothly without slowing down.